We will be discussing unemployment, which comes from Chapter 21, that's located in our macroeconomics book. We will be looking at unemployment within the United States, unemployment within Arkansas, and a comparison of unemployment between the United States and Saudi Arabia. Throughout this slide presentation, located at the bottom of each slide is a web address. Each web address is the source of that particular slide's information. What is unemployment? Unemployment is the economic phenomenon that people who want to work, are able to work, cannot work because of the shortage of work. Unemployment rate equals the rate of the unemployed to the total labor force. Labor force consists of the unemployed and employed. The key issue is how to count the unemployed. Registered unemployed consists of those who are registered at labor offices or in the other way officially. The unemployed based on survey of economic activities of population, those the adult population who did not work even a single day in the preceding month. The unemployment rate depends on the definition of unemployed. The effects of unemployment. Two top effects of unemployment is production loss. The unemployed person is not helping the economy, meaning they're not spending, so there is no movement in the economy from unemployed people. The next one is spending loss. The unemployed person most likely has no income, so they have less to spend and stimulate the economy, in essence, taken away from someone else's job. This graph consists of earnings and unemployment rates from 2014. The unemployment rate for a doctoral degree is 2.1%, compared to someone less than a high school diploma at 9.0%. A professional degree is 1.9%, a master's degree is 2.8%, compared to a person with a high school diploma with the unemployment rate of 6.0%, and some college or no college with 6.0%. Even an associate's degree can get you, the unemployment rate is lower at 4.5%. A bachelor's degree is 3.5%. The median weekly earnings in 2014 stated a doctoral degree consistently earned a weekly pay of $1,591. A professional degree, $1,639. A master's degree, $1,326. Bachelor's degree, $1,101, compared to less than a high school diploma with a weekly average of $488 a week. A high school diploma, $668. Some college and no college, $741, averaging all workers of $839.
Hello everyone, my name is Diego Montano and I'll be discussing about the unemployment in Arkansas. As many of you know, the United States several years ago went through what most of you know, the Great Recession. After the Great Recession, Arkansas maintained a high rate of unemployment since that time. But that has been changing over time. Well, as we can see, according to the Arkansas Civilian Labor Force, in August 2014, we had a 5.9 rate of unemployment. And in August 2015, we can see that we have a 5.4.
You can see, according to the Arkansas Civilian Labor Force, the number of unemployed people decreased since September 2014 to September 2015, and the number of employed people increased since September 2014 to September 2015.
Arkansas is the number 28 in the monthly rankings in the United States with a rate of 5.1 unemployment.
Many of you didn't know, but Arkansas is the 10th with the highest paid total weekly benefits.
Now let's focus on the United States unemployment rate. United States current unemployment rate. This graph starts at the year 2005. In January, the rate was 5.3%. That year it ended at a low of 4.9%. In 2006 it started at 4.7% and ended with 4.4%. 2007 there was an increase. It started with 4.6% and ended at 5.0%. 2008 we started to take a turn for the worse. We started at 5.0% and ended at 7.3% in unemployment. In 2009, we had pretty bad year. It started at 7.8 in October of 2009, it reached a high of 10.0% unemployment rate and ended at 9.9. 2010, it stayed consistently high at the 9%. It started at 9.8 and ended at 9.3. 2011, it started at 9.2, ended at 8.5. We see some decrease there. 2012, it started at 8.3, it ended at 7.9. We're steady declining. 2013, it started at 8.0 and ended at a low for many years at 6.7. 2014, we saw some mega movement. It started at 6.6 and ended at 5.6. Today, the year 2015, unemployment sits at 5.1%, with it starting at the year of 5.7%. So we've seen a decrease from 2005 through our recession to now to end with 5.1%.
I'll talk about Saudi Arabia unemployment compared to United States unemployment. The chart shows the total population of Saudi Arabia from 2004 to 2014, with projections up until 2020. In 2012, Saudi Arabia's total population amounted to an estimated 29.2 million inhabitants. Saudi Arabia, the second largest Arab state, as a national in development. Unemployment rate in Saudi Arabia remained unchanged at 5.70% in the fourth quarter of 2014, from 5.70% in the third quarter of 2014. Unemployment rate in Saudi Arabia averaged 5.51% from 1999 until 2014, reaching an all-time high of 6.30% in the fourth quarter of 2006, and a record low of 4.35% in the fourth quarter of 1999. Unemployment rate in Saudi Arabia is reported by the Central Department of Statistics and Information.
Why some people are unemployed in Saudi Arabia? There are three things happening in my country. The first one is education. For example, there are some majors in Saudi Arabia. They don't have like a job. They don't have like a job for this major. It's difficult to get like a job. The second one depends on their parents. For example, we have people like rich and they don't want to work, and just their father or their mother, they give them the money. The third one is increase the population in Saudi Arabia. Each year, like as you know, we have like more people, more children, and this is like difficult to find like a job for people. The most three important solution of employment in Saudi Arabia. The first one is called Hafiz. Hafiz is a program that based on the government, and it helps many people to find a job in Saudi Arabia. For example, if you graduate from high school or university or in college, you have to sign in this program, and they will give you a salary for 1 year until you find you a job or they find you a job. The second one, if you own a company or a small business, you must employ Saudis people in your business or a company. This is request from the government to help Saudis find a job easily. For example, if you're like a small business advertising it like to 200 people worker there, you have to have like 100 people from Saudi Arabia. The third one, the government built more hospital and statement more companies and university to increase the rate of the employment. They built 450 hospitals in Saudi Arabia to get like more people work there, and they built 100 university in Saudi Arabia to get like more, and they built more more companies for the company, for the government, to give like more job for people.
We discussed the unemployment rate of the United States, the employment rate of Arkansas, and the unemployment rate of Saudi Arabia comparing to the US unemployment rate. From the slides, you can tell that the unemployment rate of the United States is a way higher than the unemployment rate of Saudi Arabia. Thank you guys for watching and stay employed.